importance of the practice. Practice, practice, practice. This is the key method to success in life, in any field of the life. Swami Vivekananda says, once ounce of practice is 1,000 pounds of theory. Practice makes us what we shall be. Remember, 1 ounce of practice is 1,000 pounds of theory. If we examine the life of a great man, scientist, musician, sages, we find that key of their success is in practice. We can achieve impossible through the practice. A student must practice his lessons in writing in order to pass the examination. So his success depends on the practice. What we are now is the result of the practice. If you are engineers, if you are doctors, if you are a successful persons, businessman, it is the result of your practice, constant practice. Difficult activities like cycling, swimming, cooking and other things become easy through practice. Without practice, we cannot learn the swimming also. Another examples, due to accident, one person has lost his right hand. Right hand generally used to write. So if right hand has gone, that means he cannot write. But he can not leave his hope. He started writing the left hand. Practice, practice, practice. And after sometimes, after 1 month or 2 months, he can write easily in the left hand, there is no problem. So, through this practice, he again can write. Playing tabla, musician, successful musician, you see, month after month, year after year, they practice, so they have reached so high level. Amazing feats performed by the circus. Take the example of the circus. Circus, what you find? That in a rope 60 feet height from the ground, a girl is walking or cycling. Or you will find in the horse backs, a girl is walking, horse is running. It appears to us it is impossible, and seeing these feats, we get afraid. How it is possible? It is possible for them, impossible become possible through the practice. How long, how much period they have practiced this. So, through that practice, it is possible to reach that. So, the feat, that emerging feat in the circus you will find. Then, you see, through the practice also, so many things you can find, you can see. A farmer is a bull calf, and he used to carry on his shoulder to cross the river to reach their field. And he is carrying this bull calf for a month of time. By this time, bull calf grows. At the same time, due to the practice, farmers develop the capacity to carry the weight. You see the practice. You see the result of the practice. When you come in the ocean, you will find sea. There is small piece of round sand ball or mountain. How do you think? How it is become round and smooth, looking nice. Earlier it was very odd mountain because of the collision of water with that mountain piece. After collisions, rubbish, washing, water has made him this mountain piece into the ball, round, beautiful ball of sand. Similarly, another example you can imagine. In a village, there is a tube, and under the tube there is a concrete platform. Villagers used to bring the earthen pot. They used to fill the water and take it. But this keeping the earthen pot and particular place, just 12 face. After sometimes you will find there is a depression in a concrete platform. How it is possible? Earthen pot they used to frizzles, and earthen pot has that power to bring the depression in the concrete platform because of keeping again and again. This is the practice. So, practice is very, very important in your life, in spiritual life and in other field of the life. Spiritual life, it is most important. Practice is required, and it is though immediate you will not get the result, it will take the time, just like a musician, how many years, how many months, how many hours after practicing, it is that point. So we must have a patience and perseverance to keep up the practice steadily for a long time for a success in the life. Gita, Arjuna says, how to control the mind. Abhyasena to kuntena, vairagyana chakit grichati. Practice and non-attachment. So don't undermine. Must give the importance of practice. And don't forget, if you are an engineer, you are a doctor, it is the result of the practice. And by practice, constant practice, patience and perseverance, it is possible to achieve what you want to be. And through practice, impossible become possible.